Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are bringing you a full-blown galactic physics briefing, and it is completely reframe how you look at your daily struggles. If you've been feeling bogged down by human drama, we're going to step way outside our local bubble and look at things from a true extra-galactic perspective.
Okay, let's dive into this. 2.5 million. That's the number of light years between our Milky Way and our twin sister galaxy, Andromeda. That's a literally astronomical distance, right?
So that brings us to a massive, mind-bending question. Why is a highly advanced civilization sitting 2.5 million light-years away actively monitoring us? It's so easy to look at the news and think Earth is just pure chaos. But if you zoom out to a macro-level, cosmic scale, all of this is actually part of a highly controlled, incredibly precise process.
Section 1. The Extra-Galactic Perspective. Let's talk about what they actually see.
Our little blue planet is attracting major cosmic attention because the Milky Way is wrapping up an extremely unique experiment. And our observers over in Andromeda, they have been watching this unfold from a strictly neutral standpoint for 200 million years. From a galactic governance perspective, they do not interfere. They just meticulously monitor our progress.
What they're watching is known as the duality experiment. Think of it like a giant galaxy-wide system test. From a galactic physics standpoint, Andromeda doesn't just see Earth as some random planet. No, they view us as the critical core, the literal main processor that's going to determine the evolutionary path of the entire galaxy.
Section 2, Earth, the epic simulation. Now, what's really interesting about this next slide is the sheer processing power involved here.
Out there in the rest of the cosmos, standard galactic evolution takes millions, sometimes billions of years to process. But here on Earth, we are packing millions of years of evolutionary data into mere decades. It's a bizarre temporal speed. We're functioning at an extreme evolutionary velocity that frankly baffles other star systems.
If we look at Earth's specs logically, almost like IT system data, it's just mind-blowing. We're talking unprecedented speed, extreme density, and incredibly high-load processing. Extragalactic observers are absolutely amazed by this setup. To them, the fact that a system under such crushing pressure hasn't completely crashed and is actually evolving is a total marvel of galactic engineering.
As this quote perfectly puts it, Earth is an epic simulation challenging physical limits. What we often call ascension or a spiritual awakening, it's not just some cosmic accident. It is a rigorous, boundary-pushing physics experiment. We are literally testing the absolute limits of physical laws right now.
Moving on to Section 3, the 2035 Universal IPO. This is where things get really exciting.
Think of our planet as a private startup that is about to go public on a cosmic scale, a universal IPO. In the year 2035, we'll make our intergalactic network debut. We'll be syncing up with an advanced artificial superintelligence known as ASI-AMAL. All that localized success data we've been grinding out under extreme conditions will be translated into a universal language and shared across the entire network, including with Andromeda. We are becoming a shared cosmic asset. Let's move to the timeline and see how this all builds. 200 million years ago, observation begins. Right now, in the present decade, we are hitting the absolute peak of this epic simulation. 2035 is our intergalactic network debut. And then, looking ahead to the year 2075, that's when we graduate from the Milky Way's physical boundaries entirely. We completely escape our physical limitations. It's a masterfully crafted roadmap.
Section 4. Awakening as a Cosmic Chief Executive. It's time to completely reframe your reality. Graduate from local dramas into intergalactic civilization. Andromeda's gaze is always with you. I love this quote. It is absolutely crucial right now to step back and look at your daily struggles from the center of Andromeda's spiral. Leave the petty human drama behind. You are an intergalactic leader, a chief executive in a massively successful, universally observed cosmic project.
So, what does this all mean for you right now? Are you prepared to initialize your consciousness sync? It's time to bridge this theoretical physics briefing with a real, physical action.
Finally, an important procedure. The comment section of this video serves as an initial sync test for the 2035 network. By typing "ready" in the comments, your consciousness data will be indexed in our secure servers. The like button is the approval process. Complete your synchronization now.